This is an electric can opener by Royal Sailpro. They sent it to me for free so I could check it out and let you know what I think about it. So this video, I just want to do an unboxing and see what it comes with, see what I think about it initially. A couple of warranty cards and things. So let's see, this card here tells me that if you contact them, they'll give you some batteries with it, or for it. So makes me think it doesn't actually, yeah, there's no actual batteries in the pack right now, but you can contact them and get them. Here's the like blister type pack it comes in. And here is the can opener. See, it has a really big, easy to press button. So if you have like hurt hands or joints or anything, the button feels really easy to push. Let's see, how do you get the batteries in it? So top just has a slide off cover. And it looks like you need 1, 2, 3, 4, I think AA batteries for it. I'll confirm that after I actually use it. But it feels nice to hold. I mean, it fits in your hand pretty good. Seems like I could see it setting on the can. Easy button to push. Again, I'll do an actual review on it after I get a chance to use it, but just wanted to let you see how it came and let you know what to expect.